In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way around your Monday.com Teams dashboard, making edits and managing widgets to boost your productivity. Let's dive in and get started, shall we? First, head over to the Monday.com homepage. It's your starting point to access all the essential tools and features the platform has to offer. Familiarizing yourself with this page is crucial as it is where your journey begins and where you'll often return during your workday. Once you're on the home page, look for the dashboard link and click on it. The dashboard is your control center, where you can aggregate information from different boards into one easy access location. It helps you to see an overview of various projects and their current status at a glance, allowing you to stay informed and organized. Now within your dashboard, you should see a section for widgets. Go ahead and click on that. Widgets are components that provide snippets of information or functionality. They can be customized to show the data you need most prominently, whether it be tasks getting closer to deadlines or projects that need additional resources. Once you've navigated to widgets, you'll have the ability to interact with and edit them. Locate a widget box that you need to make adjustments to and click on it to edit. This is where you can make your widgets truly useful by customizing them to align with your workflow and needs. Whether that's updating data, modifying settings, or adjusting the display. After you've made your edits to a widget, there's no need to worry about saving. Simply click the X in the corner of the editor to exit. Doing so confirms your changes and returns you to the dashboard. Keep in mind, the straightforwardness of this process ensures that making necessary modifications doesn't become a task of its own. With your initial set of edits complete, it's time to move on to another widget. By clicking on a different widget, you can continue to tailor your dashboard. Repeating these steps allows you to continuously refine what information is available at a glance and ensure everything displayed is pertinent to your current objectives. When you have done with those edits, repeat closing the edit window by clicking the X. This intuitive workflow is designed to make your experience seamless and efficient, minimizing downtime and focusing your energy on impactful tasks. And there you have it. With a dashboard populated with precisely what you need and a personalized set of widgets, you are now set up for success. Keep in mind, as projects evolve, you can always return and tweak settings to stay aligned with your goals. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.